The MyKings botnet has been around for at least 5 years and is as active now as it has ever been. New research has shown just exactly how busy this botnet has been and has uncovered its use of infected computers to mine or steal cryptocurrency through one of two techniques. One technique is to install a cryptojacker on the system to use the victim's computers to mine cryptocurrency maliciously. The other tactic is to use their clipboard stealer to detect when crypto wallets are being copied and replace the clipboard contents with a crypto wallet that is under the control of the attacker. This method has proven highly effective, as the typical user really doesn't expect the text pasted to be different from the text that was copied. So essentially, this is abusing a trust relationship with the clipboard functionality in the operating system. MyKings has raked in at least 24.7 million US dollars, and reports as far back as 2017 have showed them earning 2.3 million US dollars in Monero per month, with around 500,000 infected computers. Acronis Cyber Protect stops cryptojacking with the included active protection, while trojans like the MyKings clipboard stealer are detected and blocked with the AI-powered and behavioral detection engines.